This is Mickey and Minnie in Toon Town. Do you smell that? It's the annual bake-off, and it's about to begin. Mickey and Minnie are gonna team up and make the most delicious dessert in all of Toon Town. Will it be a pie, a cake, or maybe some cookies? No one knows. Not even Goofy knows. Oh, and he's the one who organizes this thing. The two lovebirds meet up at the market. They have to get ingredients for their secret recipe. Ooh, what will it be? 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 At the market, they bump into Daisy. What are you baking? She asks. But Mickey and Minnie just smile mysteriously. They can't tell her. It's a secret. At the duck's house, Donald is making a sour lemon cake. He's also entered in the competition, and he wants to win. Lemon cake again, Daisy says. Can't you switch it up, Donald? She takes a look at the cupcakes in his hands. Well, at least someone here has some nice things to say. Donald throws the cupcakes in the garbage can. He turns away, but accidentally knocks over a box of cake mix. Oops. I'm covered in sprinkles, Donald says. And I hate sprinkles. Meanwhile, Mickey and Minnie finally arrive home. They have everything they need for their ultra-secret recipe. Double chocolate chip cupcakes with rainbow frosting. Let's go! The recipe calls for lots of flour. So much flour. Eggs, butter, sugar, vanilla, cocoa powder, chocolate chips. And for the frosting, more chocolate, heavy cream, powdered sugar, and of course, food coloring. This better be good, Mickey, because I've never worked so hard on a recipe before. Don't worry, Minnie, it will be. I can feel it in my bones. But first, they have to get the oven ready. Hot oven, hot oven, hot oven, hot oven, hot oven, hot. Well, that's hot. That's really hot. Then it's time to mix all the ingredients together. Like this, a little bit like this. There's the chocolate chips. Careful not to put too much in. Then comes the food coloring. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple. Wow, this looks great, Mickey. Almost done. Now let's bake. Time to get the cupcakes out of the oven. Wow, they look great, Mickey. You're the best baker in Toon Town. Oh, stop it, Minnie. You're just saying that. Not true. 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 Now it's time for the finishing touches, the chocolate bow. That is so cute, Mickey. The judges' table is set. Donald has brought his lemon cake, but he seems a little nervous. Next comes Goofy with an upside-down cake. It's huge. Finally, it's Mickey and Minnie's turn. They put their plate of cupcakes on the table. The judges are amazed. They're delicious and adorable, says one of the judges. I agree, says another. What a perfectly balanced flavor and fantastic presentation. After all the desserts have been judged, it's time for the awards. Third place goes to Donald for his lemon cake. Second place goes to Goofy for his upside-down cake. And first place, drumroll please, goes to Mickey and Minnie for their double chocolate chip cupcakes with rainbow frosting. They won for their fantastic teamwork. We couldn't have done it without you, Mickey, Minnie says. Couldn't have done it without you either, Minnie, Mickey replies. And so the happy couple bakes off ends. Will they make cookies next year like they talked about? Maybe. The end.